The multiplication snake game helps children learn and practice the multiplication facts. It is very similar to the addition snake game in that we are going to turn this colorful snake into a golden snake, but at the end we are going to use multiplication facts. You will also need the black and white placeholder beads. We start at the left. 4 and 5 is 9, and one more is 10. We make an exchange and we have 3 beads we still need to count. There's our 3 placeholder to remind us to count that 3. We have 3 and 5 is 8 and 2 more is 10. We'll put our black placeholder bead away and our colorful beads at the top. We're going to use our colorful beads at the end to verify. And we have 4 and 2 is 6. We can't exchange for 10 there, so we can now check our equation. We'll turn these vertical. Here is where we're going to do our multiplication. Let's put together all of the multiples. We have 3 4s, we have 2 of the 5s, and we have 2 of the 2 beat bars. So we have 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10, and 2 times 2 is 4. Here's where your child will practice their multiplication facts with the beads you've given them. Now, just as in the addition snake game, we're going to match our colorful beads to the 10s and make sure that we have the right amount of beads. We haven't left any out, we haven't added any in. 5 and 5 is 10. Let's put these 2 5s here by this 10. And then we have 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 more is 10, and then we have our 6 beads that we could not exchange at the end for another 10. We have 26.